video, I will show you how we can remove pesticides and other chemicals which are there in fruits and vegetables. Okay. So I'll just take a bowl of water. So I will use this solution to remove pesticides in vegetables and fruits. You can also use to wash. This solution can be used in washing fruits and vegetables. So this solution is called hydrogen peroxide solution. So this chemical formula of this hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. You know that H2O is stands for water, is a chemical formula of water, and this if you add an extra oxygen atom to a water, this becomes hydrogen peroxide. So after taking a bowl of water, put few drops of this solution inside water. So around 10 to 20 drops I have put it in the water, and then I will put my vegetables inside this. So it's just as easy as washing your vegetables, but just few drops of hydrogen peroxide will make all the difference. Yeah. So let this be soak for a few minutes. This hydrogen peroxide solution is easily available in the market in any medical stores. If you find a food grade hydrogen peroxide, better go for that. But I didn't find the food grade hydrogen peroxide in the market, so I'm going with this. This is a pharmaceutical grade hydrogen peroxide. So it is cheaply available. This bottle costs 24 rupees, and yeah, it is readily available in the market in any medical stores. See, hydrogen peroxide is available in the nature. It is not a chemical, but it is available in abundantly in the rainwater. So hydrogen peroxide is produced by nature when there is an electrical discharge by the clouds. So this clouds, when there is an electrical discharge, it produce lot of hydrogen peroxide, and that hydrogen peroxide come in rainwater. So that is why if you see uh, after rain, after raining, the land becomes very fertile. You can see a lot of greenery on the land, on the earth. So that is because of hydrogen peroxide which is there in the rain, that makes the land fertile. So this hydrogen peroxide which has extra oxygen makes all the difference. So you can adding few drops of hydrogen peroxide in the water, then and then cleaning your vegetables will make all the difference. It will remove all the pesticides which are there in the vegetables. So after soaking for few minutes, you can remove them. So you can scrub them little bit so that whatever pesticide which is there on the surface get removed. But few vegetables are so small that you cannot rub. That's fine. You can just remove them. You can also wash fruits in the same way. And regarding vegetables, I will suggest to buy fresh vegetables. Okay. Before I used to buy vegetables on one day in the week I used to go to the market, the big market which you call mandis, and I used to buy all 1 week's vegetables in one day. So, but see, vegetables lose their nutritional value when they are plucked from out from the earth. So, the minute they are plucked out from the earth, they start losing all the phytonutrients which are available in the vegetables. So, it is better always to go for fresh vegetables, buy vegetables on a daily basis. That will help you a lot. And also, the taste of the vegetables when you buy fresh every day, it is different from what you buy on one day and store them in your refrigerator. If you can buy organic vegetables every day, go for it. But if you can't, then at least go for fresh vegetables on a daily basis. So, you how after washing them in this solution, they will taste different. Okay, only taste can tell you whether the chemicals or the pesticides over it have been removed or not. So, if they taste better, I have tried this by washing with just water and by washing with hydrogen peroxide. Few by adding few drops of hydrogen peroxide in water. So I can say the taste was different when I did this. So please let me know. Try this at your home and let me know in the comments of this video what was your experience. Yeah, you can see now the color of the water after washing my vegetables. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like, give me a thumbs down and do share this with your friends. Subscribe to our channel Ancient Health if you want to be the first to get notified about our new video.